Okay, so we are going to discuss how to work on the Mac at Santa Fe Community College. So we're going to go over these items, menu at the top, etc. First, you want to understand that on a Mac, your menus are always at the very top of this particular screen. When you open any kind of browser, the menu is still at the top of the screen. The other thing to know is this little menu area down below, which has all these icons, that's called the dock. And in order for you to modify it, all you need to do is right-click on any of these icons, and you'll get a little contextual menu. And from that, if you hover over options, you can remove that item and therefore modify it in general. Now, the first thing I want everybody to do is go into your System's Preferences, which is this gear area or gear icon. Click on it and click on your mouse. What you want to do is set up the right click, and to do that all you need to do is click on this right side drop down, select secondary button. Also, I would strongly suggest unchecking the scroll direction natural. As a result, you'll have a pretty normal functioning mouse, which gives you the capability of right click, which is very, very important. When you close out, it basically submits that information, and now your mouse should be functioning with a right click. Right clicks, when you click on them, you will get a contextual menu specific to where you've clicked. So if I click on the desktop, these are the options available to me on the desktop. If I click on something else, I will get a completely different list of items available for me to use based on where I've clicked. Okay, so we've discussed that. Finder. Finder is this square icon on the left side of your dock. It gives you the file management of your computer. You'll notice when you open it up, you will see a series of links under Favorites. If you don't see those links, you just want to click on the word Show. That toggles back and forth the main links of the Finder. The other thing to know is you can immediately get access to your desktop, and right now there is nothing sitting on my desktop, so I see no files. Documents, you'll see a particular file sitting on my computer specific to that, as well as downloads. So this Finder is a very good tool to utilize to access your file management. Additionally, you want to understand that there are some icons at the very top of your Finder screen, and you'll notice they give you different ways in which you can view that particular set of files. Right now you'll see the lines are selected. That's basically a listed fashion. If you click on these four squares, you'll see your files showcased in icon view, and then there's something called the column view, which is also a very common way to see it. The last is actually something we rarely use, which is some sort of slideshow view. The two views that I want you to be using for Web 1 is either the list view or the column view, because it actually shows you your items and what's within folders in a very readable fashion. I do not recommend, and I will probably suggest strongly when I see this, do not recommend actually using the icon view. Okay, so let's see. So again, you'll see desktop, documents, and downloads, and in order to maintain or to get rid of this particular screen, all you need to do is click on the red X, and that will allow the Finder to just go back to its normal icon view down below. You'll also notice that your menu will change as you click on icons. So here I've clicked on the Safari view. I'm going to go ahead and quit Safari and get rid of that. And so every time you select an actual application, your menu items will change. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Go ahead and look at the next video, which will be about how to set up your Mac desktop. And for that matter, it's pretty similar to Windows for editing your websites.